Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming new iPad Air from Apple could be cheaper but more capable than its last year launched predecessor. DigiTimes has reported that the Apple is spinning up its supply chain to produce new ARM-powered MacBooks as well as new tablets. The company reportedly expects sales in both product categories in pick up this year compared to 2019. The new iPad Air with a 10.8-inch screen this time is said to be adopting the iPhone SE strategy, matching an affordable price with a powerful chipset, possibly the Apple A13, the chip at the heart of the 400 iPhone SE 2020. Though there are some conflicting reports on this. The iPad Air 2019 uses the A12 chipset and start at $500 for the 64GB of model. The non-Pro iPad 10.2-inch has an ancient A10 chipset and goes for $330 currently. So the 2020 Air price tag should fall somewhere between these two. Much has been said about the new Air. It may be the first non-Pro to drop the Lightning port and adopt USB-C instead. Another Pro feature connected to the new model as the possibility of supporting the Magic Keyboard. If you are in the market for a new iPad mini that's coming next year, says Ming-Chi Q. Interestingly, he also reported that the iPad will be bundled with a 20-volt chargers, unlike the iPhones, which may soon come with no charger at all. As for Apple laptop, 13-inch model of MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, both powered by Apple chipset, are allegedly in development, set to release by the end of this year in 2020. By the way, the recently launched Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch has a 128 and 256 and 1 terabyte storage with 12.9 inch screen. The platform and the chipset on this tablet is Apple A12Z Bionic chip, and it has the iPad OS 13.4 upgradable to iPad OS 13.4.1. The CPU is the octa-core 2.5 GHz with a Vortex and for 1.6 GHz chipset, and the GPU on this Apple iPad Pro, Apple GPU 8 core, and this Apple iPad has a 3 camera on the backside, 12 megapixel f1.8 and 10 megapixel f2.4, and the third one is the TUF 3D LiDAR scanner. Video recording is 4K at 60 fps. So this is the last time they launched this new iPad of the Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch in 2020. So we hope the upcoming iPad of Apple will have more feature and it will be cheaper than this one. So let's see in upcoming days, and make sure to like this video guys and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.